This way, you burn 1 kilo of body fat each day. I am sure that each one of us looks for the way to burn the fat of his body to have the figure that always wanted. Good nutrition and an exercise routine will always be helpful in burning fat. There are medicines that help us speed up our metabolism and burn fat, but most of them have the bounce effect, so it is not recommended to use it. So we recommend a lemon-based shake, and chia seeds will help you burn that fat that is left in your area of abdomen, buttocks and legs. Each of them separately has multiple health benefits, but together they form a powerful antidote against accumulated fat. Discover how to prepare it. Lemon and chia shake to burn fat. Ingredients: 1 1/2 of water, 1 tablespoon of agave syrup, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of crushed almonds. This ingredient is required. Method of preparation and consumption: moisturize chia seeds in water to stimulate fiber. After 1 hour, liquefy the chia seeds with water and lemon juice. Add the crushed almonds, and you are ready to consume. Drink this milkshake on an empty stomach, 1 glass per day, and you will notice surprising results. Other benefits of chia seeds: 1. Control cravings. The seeds of chia are full of fiber, so they are a good option to put a brake on our cravings. They are easy to digest, but they create a feeling of satiety that helps us to control ourselves so we do not sting between hours. It is advisable to take them at breakfast to keep us in shape throughout the day. You can also add them in milk or cereals. There are no excuses worth. 2. They taste like nuts. 3. They help keep you well hydrated. 4. They are a healthy source of omega-3. 5. Protect against the harmful effects of the environment.